I found an amazing school here in the south of France. I love it. I've made a great network of friends. I have learned a lot from the chef Fabrice, and eventually I'm going to come back in January to do the pastry program because I just love studying in Gastronomicom, and I love the city as well. So thank you, Gastronomicom.
It's been heaps of fun. It's been very challenging, but we've learned so much and had really great teachers and such a good experience. And I'm a bit sad it's ending, but ready to go home.
Yeah, I think that it was really neat having pastry and cuisine together because they're both very different styles of teaching as well. So pastry I felt was a little bit more precise and specific, and then cuisine was something I was a little more familiar with, so it was interesting doing both as well. It was a really fun time, and I'm sad to go home. So.
I am also sad. I'm deep down sad, but yeah, no, it's all right time. It's been really good. Yeah.
This is my second time attending Gastronomicom's pastry program, so 3 months total, or 6 months total, I guess. Both times have been with Chef Paul. He's a magnificent chef, great to learn from. The course is 3 months, but you learn so much in that time that it makes it so worth it to discover and explore and learn. I love it so much because you meet people from all around the world, and you can go to any boulangerie and you can look in the case and say, oh, I've made this, I've made this, I've made this, and it's delicious.
All the students learn many things about cuisine, about pastry, but it's more important, it is the chef life, you know. We live together, we learn many things together, and I think this was a wonderful experience, you know. It is a wonderful experience in Gastronomicom and in France, you know.